you guys? I am back with another video. So today I am going to be trying on a wig I purchased on Amazon. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know what it looks like, but I hope it's actually a good wig. I did get it for cheap, so let's see how it looks. Anyways, so I got my package right here. Okay, and I am going to open it right now. So you guys, it looks like this. It says "Ashy hair." I don't know how to say that first word. The side is like a girl dancing, whatever. It looks like that. So I'm gonna open this. Ooh, it actually looks really nice. Wow. It comes with a hair cap. It tells you how to put it on. If you can see it. And this shows you how to clip your hair and wash it. Okay, so I won't be opening this hairnet because I already have one, so I'll be using this one. Oh, I got my hairnet. Okay, it looks like this. If I look weird, don't judge. I probably look like a thumb wearing this. What I do is I start in the back and then I pull it up. Okay, and then now these sides of my hair. So I'm gonna start twirling it. And I'm gonna like put it on the sides right here. And my hair is in a ponytail, so this is what makes it easier. Just so you don't have to braid your hair, do it professionally done. If you want to put on a wig quick, that's one way to do it. Alright, so it looks like that. I already put it up. I'm gonna take the wig out. I forgot to take it off the net. Ooh, y'all. Look how realistic it looks. And this is a cheap wig. Like, look at the way the hair looks. And this is really nice. I am gonna fix this because I can already tell it's not gonna look natural. So I'm gonna show you how I fix them. Inside, it has this stretchy thing, which it'll stretch with your head. It has 3 clips, one here, and then 2 on each side right here. And it does have an adjustable thing for your head, so you know what to adjust it if it's too big, too whatever, you know what I mean. So before I put it on my head, I am gonna brush it out. I did brush it, a lot of hair did come out, as you can see. Let's put this bad boy on. So you guys, it looks like this. I really look weird in wigs, but I'm gonna show you the back. See how it looks really good. And it goes long in the front and then it goes short in the back. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix this to make it look more natural. I'm gonna end up taking off the wig because I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like without fixing it. Okay, now I'm gonna take it off. So I did lose this much of hair when I brushed it out. I don't know if you can see it. So what you're gonna need is just tweezers. I pluck it with tweezers. So for beginners, I would pluck them like this individually. But what I do is I grab like this much hairs and then I pull it. But if you're not a beginner, you will rip off the hair and mess up your cap on your hair. So I'm gonna be pulling the hairs in half and I'm gonna show you how I do it. I hold down on the thing and then I pull. Alright you guys, so I'm showing y'all the same steps that I showed y'all. All I'm doing is separating the hairs with my tweezers and pulling. And I'm gonna keep doing that until I get my final results. brushing it for any loose excess hair. See how it's starting to look more wider? I'm gonna make it more longer so it can look more natural. So let's start with that. Okay, now that it looks like this, it's more longer, I'm gonna apply concealer in the middle of this, so make this lighter like my scalp, and you see it's already dark. So I'm gonna be using this brush right here, and then my foundation. So just start applying it right here. Just start blending it out with my finger. My powder so I can mat it out. Now it looks like this, more natural, and I'm gonna apply it on my head. And if it doesn't look natural like how you want it, you could always take it off and do that same process. So if I don't like the way it looks, I'm gonna fix it up again. Oh, and if it's like this, you could wear it either or. If it's just a line in the middle, that means it's a middle part, but you could wear it on the sides or in the middle, or wherever you want it. Be smart if I put my cap on. Let me put my cap on and then I'll get back with you. Alright you guys, so I applied the wig. It looks really nice. Like I said, I'm gonna put the link down below. It's a really good wig. It does shed, but not as much hair. But it looks like this. And it's, well, I've never seen a wig move this much. Like, it's really bouncy. That's what I like. I might end up fixing this again. It's look natural on me right now. But what do y'all think, guys? Like, looks really good. I'm also gonna put it on the side so y'all can see what it looks like on the side. But I do want to wear this one down the middle. And I think you could also do like hairstyles on it. Oh, and it doesn't fall off because it has clips, so it won't fall off whatever you do. So you can make like a tight bun. So it'll look like that. Really cute. See when it looks like that, you can always put a clip here, or you can wear it like that. I might wear it like that. Looks better. You could basically do all kinds of hairstyles with it. I will put the link down below so y'all can know what wig it is. It's very cute. And I am wearing this wig on a concert because guess who's seeing Cher? This girl. I am gonna go see Cher. We'll see her this weekend on the 15th. I honestly can't wait to see her. I will try to record as much as I can because I don't want to copyright. You know how that goes, guys. All this copywriting. And this is all the hair that came out of this wig when I pulled it off in the middle, plus the brushing. That's a lot. It's still thick. She's still thick though, you know? So I did pull out some of my baby hair so it could look more natural. I just wanted to look as natural as possible. Ooh. Actually, I get better like this. That is cute. Oh, I think I found a spot where I'm gonna wear it. I should have done this all along. The thing I don't like about it is that you can tell which side's longer than the other. But it's cute, isn't it? Maybe if I do this. Ooh! Yes! Okay, I think I found how I'm gonna wear it. Because both sides look natural. And I'm gonna do all around again. What do y'all think about me wearing short hair? What do y'all think? I think I'm gonna get a natural one, like a brown wig, like this shape. So it can look more natural. But I love the way this hair feels. Look how it just looks so natural. Like, I never felt a wig like this. And it's cheap, y'all. Like, it's like $30-some maybe. And it's really cheap. It looks really good. I just love it. And you know, I'm the type of girl, I like to spend on a budget. I don't like to spend a lot of money on a wig. Unless I have the money, yes, of course I'm gonna buy like maybe 1 or 2, you know, expensive wigs. But other than that, I'm staying on a budget. I am gonna buy some cheap wigs, make them look natural, and, you know, get reviews on them. Actually, I like this one better than my other one. The other one, it doesn't feel natural, but this one feels like you can't feel it on your head. I don't even feel like I'm wearing it. Like, nothing at all. And it's very light. Like, it doesn't feel heavy or like thick back here where you feel like your real hair. You know what I'm talking about? Like, you can feel your real hair back here too, and you know, it doesn't feel like that at all. I don't know if you can wear this one on a ponytail. Maybe a low one. Try wearing a low ponytail. I don't know. I'm gonna play around with it and see what I can do with this wig. And most likely I'll be wearing it on some of my videos. If I have a bad hair day, who knows. But I wanna say thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and hit this bell button, you know, down below. Oh my god, I got hair all over everywhere. There's hair everywhere. Oof. Well, I want y'all to make sure y'all like my channel, subscribe, hit the bell button,